At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to understand what are aliases and how do we rename the columns to read it in easier manner. So, what are aliases? When we are selecting data, we can rename a column to make it shorter or easier to understand. So, that concept is known as aliases. In short, we use aliases as as it's not the same as renaming the column forever. It's just to see the name easier to understand, easier to read in the results or the output. So we have this progamy database in use, and we have one table here as you see, employee. Let me uh, describe the table. You will see we have ID, first name, middle name, last name, age, and current status. If I just do select star from employee, it will give you all the columns with all the data this way. Now, if I want to select some columns here, so we can do it in, like, for example, I don't want this first name in this current format. I don't like it. I just want to have it in short form to display. So I can just rename it here. For example, select ID, first name. So I can rename it here, first name as this, comma. Then I want last name as this way, and I want current status as status from the table. So table is employee table. What it will do, it will list the columns and their data, but it will rename the column names, right? First name is listed here as F name, last name is listed here as L name, and current status is being shown as name. But if I again describe the table, the column names will be as original ones. So it will not rename the columns to for you permanently, but it will just rename the columns it, when you are displaying it somewhere, right? For that particular piece of time, it will rename you, or it will just show you the different name for that at that particular time, because we just wanna show it, we just wanna make it easier to read in the output result, right? So this is how aliases are used. AS is particularly the AS is particularly the short form of alias. What I am trying to say as alias is ALIAS, alias. This is the full name, and the short name is AS, alias, right? So again, I was telling this is temporarily only for this query. This will not be the all-time renaming. As use ASS to alias a column in your results, it doesn't actually change the name of the column in the table, right? This is alias. Let's come back in the next tutorial and see more useful functions and methods and statements.